इट्स कुणाल हियर। आप सब कैसे हो? आई होप लोग अच्छे होंगे, मैं भी अच्छा हूँ। सो टुडे आई शो यू 5 बॉल mastery exercise plus skill. So let's go guys. In this drill you need 4 cone. If you don't have cone, just put empty bottle or empty thing and take 5 steps between all 4 cone. Drill number 1, inside hooks. In this drill I'm gonna perform this inside hook. So it's a soft touch with the inside of the foot. Then you are pushing the ball across the outside of the opposite foot, as you can see. यहाँ में आपको इनसाइड हुक करना है। पहले आपको आउटसाइड फुट से पुश करके लेके जाना है कोन तक, उसका आपको इनसाइड फुट से पुश करना है। ऐसे करके दोनों लेग में करना है, जैसे कि गाइस देख रहे हैं। आफ्टर 10 repetitions, so 5 on each leg, you go straight into the middle of the square and it's 15 to 20 seconds of freestyle ball mastery. So just trying to get as touch many as possible using all different surface areas of the foot, changing direction as often as possible, trying to cover as much of the square as possible. After done this ball mastery, then you can rest 20 to 30 seconds. Next drill, outside hooks. Now in this drill, I'm performing these outside hooks. So it's a soft touch across the body with the inside of the foot. Then with the outside of the same foot, you are stopping the ball with the outside. Then once again 10 repetitions. Then you are back in the box for another 15 to 20 seconds of freestyle ball mastery. Just being instinctive with it. So whatever moves come to mind, just perform it in the moment. Don't try to plan ahead. You are trying to build up that lactic acid in the legs, but trying to keep those feet moving as quickly as possible while they are tired. Drill number 3, step over. In this drill, I'm gonna perform step over. First, you have to push the ball 2 times from the outside foot, then step over the ball from the inside foot, then again outside foot, touch the ball 2 times, then step over. After 10 repetitions, so give on each leg 5 times. You go straight into the middle of the box, as you can see me, then do skill again 15 to 20 seconds without any stop. Now I went into 4th drill, L drags. In this drill we perform an L drag. Dribble the ball from any side. When you reach the cone, then perform L drag. Then dribble back to the opposite side, then perform again L drag from your opposite leg, as you can see. After 10 repetitions, so 5 on each leg. Then straight into the middle box for another 15 to 20 seconds of ball mastery freestyle, keeping that ball under full control without letting it leave the square. I'm just trying to do whatever in my mind, and don't think what skill you do. Do whatever in your mind and try to get as many touches as possible. Last and final drill, Cruyff turn. In this drill, I perform this Cruyff turn. So it's just a hook with the inside the foot behind your standing leg. Then you are pushing it with the outside of the opposite foot across once again. We are doing 10 repetitions, getting 5 reps on each leg. So we are getting a good balance. Then we go into the square for final 15 to 20 seconds of ball mastery skills. With this try and go as quickly as possible, but don't sacrifice control for speed. Make sure you got the control down fast, then when gain speed as you increase your confidence with it. So today's practice has been done. As you can see, very simple 5 ball mastery exercise plus skill. If you do this one regularly, this will improve your performance on the pitch, improve your ball mastery, control and plus skill. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stylish, fit and healthy. Start. Bye.